everyone, it's Carly. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my moon milk that I've been posting a lot. So it's blue steamed milk and it's so delicious and just kind of comforting. I know it's summer and I don't know, but the hot drink in summer is still super comforting, especially when I come home and I'm sitting in my cold AC house. I just love sitting on my couch, watching TV, sipping my moon milk. So I want to show you guys exactly how I make it, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's make some moon milk. So I got this, it's actually a hot chocolate maker, but it works perfect for this recipe, and I'll link this one or a similar one down below. And I just add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. So I just took out this little measuring cup so I can kind of get, I actually put in a little bit more than a cup just because a cup doesn't even fill my mug all the way. So I just kind of almost put it to the top. And then I just pour in my hot chocolate maker. And then all I do is take 1 teaspoon of the butterfly pea powder, and I will add this right into the hot chocolate maker. And as you can see, it's like pretty blue, but then when you mix it with the almond milk, it kind of makes it a little bit lighter. I'm just gonna do 2 little shakes of cinnamon. I just like the flavor it gives. I added a little more than 2. And okay, so there's not like an exact recipe, but this is just how I make it, and I like that it's just very casual and you can kind of add however much of whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit, like maybe 1/4 of the cap or less of vanilla, just for some good flavor. And then I'm just gonna do 7 drops of this better stevia, maybe 5, let's see. I'm gonna do 5 drops, and then at the end, if it needs to be more sweet, I'll add a couple more. So 3, 4, 5. And then all I do is put on the lid, and then I press the button and it will just stir it all up, and it frosts it up and everything. Like, it's very easy. I just want to run through the benefits of butterfly pea powder and why I like to make moon milk. So this is the package I've gotten. On the package, and again I'll link this down below, I got it from Amazon. Right on the package it says it's good for brain health, it's full of antioxidants, and it's increased vitality. So this is all organic, but yeah, so you can use it in yogurt, smoothies, desserts, rice. So I have had mango sticky rice where they've added a little bit of this and it made the rice blue, which is pretty cool. And so yeah, immunity support, increased vitality, skin rejuvenation, and brain health. It doesn't have a flavor, so pretty much when I drink my milk, it just tastes like warm steamed milk, and then with a little bit of sweetener and a little bit of cinnamon and vanilla, and it's just really tasty. It's good for you and it's comforting, so that's why I love it so much. And there you have it. There's your yummy, easy, beautiful blue moon milk. And it's so delicious and warm and comforting. And I'm just gonna sit on my sofa and drink it and enjoy my night. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.